Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, as you can see here, we have this great product for review. And this is of the Gosund Smart Socket. And the model is the WP3. Alright, so this is the WP3 of the Smart Socket. And in case you do not know what a Smart Socket is, all this is of course is a smart home device. You can actually use this as a part of your smart home setup. It does work with Alexa and so on. And of course, even if you don't have Alexa, it will still work. And what you can do is remotely control these outlets to turn on or turn off devices around the house. So if you have ever wanted to start to venture into the area of interconnected devices or smart home devices, you can start off with one of these sockets. All right, so as you can see here, this is the Gosund Smart Socket, the WP3. It comes in this box. As you can see here, the product is clearly displayed on the box. It comes with 4 pieces, smart socket, and the model number and voltage and so on. The Wi-Fi frequency is all recorded right here, and you can check these out or pause and check them out for yourself. Around here you can see other product information, including where it is made in China, and of course there's the QR codes over the box, and that's for the application. This will work with both I think Android as well as iOS. Yes, definitely. So so depending on which device you actually have, it will still work. So let's get straight into the unboxing. It comes in this plain box. There's nothing on the base except a barcode, and you have seen around the entirety of the product. So let's open this up. So as you can see here guys, it comes in this uniquely designed box. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lift up, and of course once you do that, you can fish these out. They come in individual parcels, and they do open up just like this. And as you can see here, this is what it looks like inside of the box for the Gosund smart switch or smart plugs. Alright, so I'm going to take these out, and you can check them out. They are insulated by default to protect them. And of course you can see here, it's just a regular outlet, but of course it has Wi-Fi control, so I can turn stuff on and off remotely. And again, it does keep on repeating. It's just the same thing over and over again. The base of the box, they're securely held in place. You can check out the quick start guide right here, which comes inside of the box from Gosund. Just careful with these. And it says mini smart socket and its instructions. Alright, so we'll check out these mini smart sockets, and of course I'm just going to open up this guide. And as you can see here, this runs down the product and the features. As you can see here, you can pause at any time to read this for yourself. And of course this might be in other languages. We have the app support. Of course this can all be controlled through your smartphone with the application. Alright, so I'm going to check out if there's anything in the box otherwise. Alright, so I've checked, and this is the contents of the box, just the 4 switches along with the quick user guide. And let's do an overview of the product itself. Alright, so as you can see here, just the general design. Of course this is the socket panel where you plug your your device. So any device that you want to power on and off remotely, you will simply plug it into this, then plug this section here into the wall outlet. And of course this is just the traditional plug. And of course it's simple to use. Just simply connect this and then connect it to the wall. So it will basically be a stand-in between this and the wall. You can also notice the on off button here since to power this. And of course one important thing is that this is made out of a flame resistant material, meaning it will be resistant to flames or burns or so on. Alright guys, so I have the app set up for the Gosund smart socket, and as you can see here, this is the app, and I'll show you how it's set up. Alright, so first of all guys, this is the switch itself. You saw the box earlier in the unboxing, and of course I've downloaded the application which is called Smart Life. There's also a Go Smart, but that's just 2 apps to choose from. I went with the Smart Life application. Once you tap on the Smart Life application, you'll notice that it does give you your switches. You can rename them. You can actually go ahead and set timers and all of that. You can control a switch, timer, schedule, and of course you can switch. All right, and from here I was able to control everything. All right, setup was quite easy. Simply just remove the safety socket or the safety plastic, and once you plug it in, it's a matter of pairing it with your Wi-Fi network. Once you pair with your Wi-Fi network, you can control this from anywhere in the world. So simply turn it off and on. I'll overlay on screen what the switch looks like when plugged in to the socket. Alright, and all I had to do was plug another device into this section here. And as you can see here, I have it connected to my desktop lamp. I'll try to show you that right now. And check out over here, guys. My desk is a little bit of a mess, do forgive that. And you can see the app right now, and I'm going to show you that it actually works. Notice I'm just control everything with one hand, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply control from here. Once I open up the application, the lamp is connected to the switch right now. So check this out, guys. One tap and it's off, and with another tap it's on. Quite easy. And if I wanted to, I could do a countdown timer. So for example, let's say I wanted the switch to terminate in, say, just a few seconds, like a specific time. I can set it from here. So I can set the time of day. I can cancel that as well. And of course, if I wanted to, I could add a schedule right in here, add schedule. And of course, it will come on a schedule. Great for energy saving and also saving a lot of time. And of course, guys, it's quite easy. It's instantaneous. It connects to your Wi-Fi network and on again. And as you can see, I'm able to control that lamp over there. I could also do several other stuff, such as if I wanted to, I could have ended up controlling our devices, such as my TV set. I could have also used this to control what comes on at what time. We could also be used to simulate conditions when we're at home. So if I wanted to, I could just use this to turn on, turn off my TV, and I can find several other things that I can use around the home that I can use this to control. Alright, so far so good. Alright guys, so I have the smart switch set up with my TV set, as you can see here. And all I did was to connect the smart plug to a outlet with the TV and my cable box on one setup. As you can see now, I have a mini smart plug, and of course I named that one. Later on I'm going to change that to the lights or lamp or desk lamp. But of course you can see mini smart TV right there. And check this out, guys. In one full swoop, the TV is gonna come on and that TV box right there. All right, so let's check this out in one click. So here we go. Click. There we go. Takes a little while, but notice the TV has come on. And I may have to mute sections of this. Notice the TV box is now on. Takes a few seconds. TV off. Alright, so let's check it out, guys. One button and I was able to turn on the TV with the cable box, and one press and the TV and the cable box is now off, as you can see. And of course this was done with one simple app. I could do this from anywhere in the world and it would be as simple as that. So as you see, everything is working wonderfully. And for the desktop lamp, as you can see over there, I can do the same from here. The lamp is now off. The lamp is on. And for the TV is now on. And there you go. One simple click. Alright guys, so that's has been how to operate this using the smart devices, which is quite cool. I love it very much and I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so far this is my view of this product. As I said, this is a great value for money. I think you can get this for about $20+ for a set of these mini plugs. It is one of the best ways you can get into smart homes, or basically automating your home and making it smarter. The app was easy to install, and of course I have only one plug that I haven't yet set up. As you can see, I have mine set up to activate the lamp on my desk, which is the current one. And of course I also have it set up for my TV along with my camera setup for the security system for my home. And of course for this one, I'm just going to find something else for this one, but there's no shortage of stuff I can think of using this for. It's my first major foray into the field of smart home technology. And of course, I'll be looking into other stuff such as smart bulbs and so on. The Gosund brand actually have several plugs that matches from strips all the way up to light bulbs to light switches controlled by Wi-Fi. And of course, guys, as I was saying before, this is a great way to integrate these things into your house so that you can actually be safer once you're out, or you can keep tabs on stuff while you're away from home. For example, I could have my TV turned on while I'm away. It will play just as if I'm at home. And of course, I could also do something else such as turn the security system off and on as needed to save power. Or if I wanted to, I could just control what exactly is happening. For example, if it's getting an error, I could just cycle it off and on. The mini smart plug lamp on my desk could also be used to light up the room, which could also indicate that somebody is home. So you see, with a combination of the TV and the smart lamp, I could simulate as if I am actually home when I am not. And of course, before that would have been impossible, where I'd have to leave all my stuff on and so on. But when I cycle them on and off, I can turn off lights, I can turn stuff off, on. All right. And I think this is why the Gosund brand is one of the highly rated in terms of home security. The app itself ties everything together. It has so many stuff you can add. For example, check this out, guys. These are just electrical engineered stuff. As you can see, these are all smart devices. I can go into lighting. You could have their light control switch. I could do a large room such as water heater, washing machine. I could do small home appliances. I could do kitchen, security sensors, if you understand what I'm saying here. And I could do health and exercise based stuff. And there's even an area for other. And I think this is why this brand is a great brand. You can keep within the brand and actually have everything connected, right? With everything speaking to your smart device, which is controlled by your phone. And this can be done remotely. All right. So overall now, I give the design of this high marks in terms of durability. I even had one of these fall to the ground and I swear that it would have broke, and it didn't break, which was good. I highly recommend this brand in that it has high ratings in terms of safety, fire safety. I don't have to worry about that in case there's a spark or something like that. Ease of setup was quite easy. The app install was flawless. And of course, overall, I give this top marks and I highly recommend it. Another thing I want to say about this product is that it's well thought out, the design to the implementation and everything. So I just want to thank the guys again over at Gosund for sending over this particular product. Highly appreciated and highly recommended. Alright, so I won't allow this video to drag on any longer. If you're looking for something in terms of smart homes or to link with your Alexa or the smart devices, I suggest that you get this one. Alright guys, so this is Ricardo Garner from Block Tech Tips, saying bye until next time, when we do check out another set of cool stuff we can actually use to extend your smart home. Alright, so Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.